All right, morning, close to afternoon. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. As in this business or in your RV life, in the summer you prepare for your winter, and in the winter you prepare for your summer. So this is what we're doing here at the school and mini campground and repair shop, and you can help save thousands of dollars by helping me. So we split this up yesterday. We're going to split this again. Now I'm starting to stack it. This is all the firewood I got, a couple cords. Remember, I'm turning that into probably about 10 cords and it'll be all covered. So there you go. I got that loaded. Look at this, them poor damn tires. Woo, they're hurting. It's all right, that's my work truck. That's a short video. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. It's summertime, springtime, getting ready for winter. Beautiful day, gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Oh, there's one RV. There you go. There's the big garage right there, right? That's my Beaver. There's a couple other ones to work on, waiting for parts, blah, blah, blah. Right? There you go. Nice. Got a good garden going over there again, like every year. Yep. All right, I got to get very much. Remember the motto, test, not guess.